What's up everybody? Today I'm going to be putting rails on the roof of my Sprinter van. This van did not come with rails, some do. If yours did not, you can get the OEM rails or you can get rails from a company called Vantech. I'll put the links in the description below. The ones I'm using are from Vantech. To get started, we're actually going to locate these little plugs. These are the factory bolt holes for roof rails and they're all along both sides of the van. And it's just a plastic plug that's simply glued into place. To do this, we're actually going to locate all these and then on the top we will heat them with a heat gun to soften that glue and then pry them out or smack them from the bottom. It is a little easier to pry from the top because if you soften the plastic too much, it'll just mush out from the bottom and then be a little more of a pain to get out. Before we do that, we want to actually take our roof rail and make sure that the pattern lines up perfectly and we did get the right product, because if we didn't and we pull all these out first, then of course we've got a bunch of holes in our roof and no way to fill them. Okay, next we're going to prepare our rail sections to go up on the roof. So we're going to line them with the gasket material it came with. There is a joint in the center, and so we got to leave about a ½ inch on the end of each of those for that. So I just kind of laid them out, put the joint next to them so I know where to kind of start and stop. Okay, we're in. Last step is to put the washers and nut on all these little bolts. Tighten her up and get back over here. And we're done.
And we're done.
All right, so there we go. Roof rails are done. Next up is ladder and roof rack and solar and other doodads and things, but we're good to go. Roof rails are on.